Like Japanese messy boys, like people who eat food pornographically.
No.
One of his music videos is like,
Hey guys!
oh my god.
Don't do it!
Doc.
Don't pull a fucking Dr. Disrespect.
Doc. But you'd love Grum. GRUM. You'd fucking adore him.
GRUM.
Adore him.
Mental note made. Done.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Music's a big part of
I know I've been neglecting you. Wait, where's the camera?
Maybe you can shepherd me through.
Over here?
Alright. You're welcome to join.
I kind of want to. Like, I
Yeah.
love.
I know I've been neglecting you. My skin is shit and I'm not, I fucking hate my face right now, so it's okay.
Stop.
I'm sorry. Hold on.
Even the Fusro doc.
Guys, I'm watching the chat on here. Watch. You guys want to be famous? Watch.
Yeah, they're like, I mean, Skyrim was great, but then they just didn't know how to like stop with the franchise and just make the other ones, right?
Wait, did they still have the fleas in Morrowind? Remember when they had the striders from the That was like, I remember so like,
It's like some douche.
yeah.
Right?
You like Doom? I just reread Doom. It's so good.
Like, do you like Tolkien? Okay, so Silmarillion level though?
Oh my god, you're reading the
Guys, I have the hiccups. Oh my god.
The Council of the Wizards on the back.
See, that's the next place I want to make my own, like, Lord of the Rings. Amazon's got them funded to make a new MMO. And that's gonna
Well,
be
they're releasing it in tandem with the series.
Right.
Exactly. $1 billion budget. I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to ride that wave. Take me to the future. I'm ready. Be cool.
That was the most serious hiccup.
What's BadBunny? What are you even doing over there? You didn't even eat your veggie burger.
I'm eating my veggie burger.
Look at it.
Fruits road.
Are you dying?
No.
You are. It's confirmed.
Alright, just flag. Get out.
You know what I've been playing
hiccup
recently,
very
though?
easily.
Like, you guys have a Switch that just released all the Super Nintendo titles?
Wait.
All right. It is that time. Let's start trivia. Are you guys as excited as I am?
Can I have a water? I have
No
hiccups.
response. Some will take it as a yes. Let's begin.
Yeah, just the water.
Alright guys, get ready for
No aiming reticle. You just gotta feel it out.
Find it and shoot, baby.
I honestly cannot take the anticipation, so let's skip through.
Oh, no problem.
Well, hello my friends and welcome to another fun-filled edition of Jack Trivia. My name is Kid Corona.
mute
Before we get started, we do have
I didn't.
Did you pull a Dr. Disrespect?
Kid Corona.
I
put it in my pocket and they said you didn't mute. I thought I muted, but
It's probably fine.
I think it's fine. It's 100% fine.
But if you get it wrong, you just get a 0. You can win extra bonus points at halftime and at overtime, and
I have the hiccups.
also win extra points with a bonus question in between rounds.
Okay, so this is going to be a slightly different game. We are only playing the first half. I will go until the halftime bonus, so you'll have a chance to redeem yourself. There are going to be the bonus questions in between,
Can I like?
and I will let you know that answer at the very end.
We gotta go.
We gotta go?
Yeah, we need to go.
Yeah.
Must include your wager, 100 points.
It's such a pleasure.
Question answer A, B, C, or D, unless otherwise noted on the screen.
Which one are you? Where are you guys going?
Oh, okay. Well, we were first gonna.
No phones whatsoever while you're playing the game, alright?
We were first gonna go to Walgreens and then get
or
nicotine
cheat in
gum.
any way will disqualify your team from winning a prize. So just do us all a favor and put your phone away.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if you guys.
All right, here we don't use the honor system, we use the holler system, as in holler if your friends are cheating, because we can publicly shame them here.
What? Really? I thought you
And
needed
finally, the
a
highest
bag.
scoring team in each of the 6 rounds will win a prize. And the first and second and third place teams with the overall highest scores will also win prizes. So, are you ready? Let's play some Jack Trivia.
boys. Hey, boys, we're
And another little alteration to this game.
You guys already said?
We are only playing the first half. So by the end of the first half and the halftime bonus,
He's a sweetheart.
then we will know the winner.
Where's your bag?
First place winner gets a $50 gift card, second place $30 gift card, and third place $20 gift card.
Oh,
What'd you do?
oh, I just got a splinter under my nail. Oh,
Will, let me see. Are you okay?
yeah, under that nail. It hurts so bad.
It could
Still
be
there?
country, it could be hip hop, it could be alternative, it could be jazz. It doesn't matter.
No, I'm totally fine.
You're gonna be fine in this category. Let's get into it. This
Hey,
is
I don't
Music
think we
Act.
can bring bags to this thing.
Tyler Hubbard and Brian Kelly make up what band? Is it Florida Georgia Line,
Thank you so much.
Juice WRLD, Big and Rich, or Rascal Flatts?
And just a friendly reminder, my name's Angela. I have colorful hair, and I'm at the very last TV over here, jumping up and down. Just put the answer sheet
Open my
in the bucket.
backpack.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah.
Where? From this?
No, for this. You can pick it up if you want. How do I open this backpack?
Does she care about you guys?
Come on.
Does she
How do I
talk to you?
open this fucking backpack? Who's is it? My roommates. I have no idea how to open this.
Where's your chat?
We're trying to come, like, she doesn't know how to open
Your chat's
Fine,
dead.
I'm just trying to run out of here because it's like.
Oh yeah.
I know. It's not.
Is this yours?
It's like fucking like a fucking.
Is this Hassan's?
Mine.
Okay, okay.
Sorry. Mine.
You abandoned your chat. Where?
I feel like I'm gonna lose like half my text.
You're good at this. You gotta double check you got everything.
He has to leave like right now. He can't like fucking chill.
No.
What a fucking baby. Guys, I'm leaving a whole fucking beer.
60 seconds on the clock right now with Jack Trivia.
Hassan needs to leave.
Still have a little
Hassan
bit
needs
of
to
time.
leave. Excuse me, Hassan needs to leave. What happened to my other phone? I have two phones. Hang on. Do you have my phone? Thank God. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh my God, I love you. Thank you, Scalius.
we might go on Operation Nicotine Gum for him. And
Where's your chat? Do they know you hate? You hate
What?
them? You're not even talking to them.
You look beautiful.
You look.
Go have fun.
Booty foo.
I'm like so Scott. People are like, you look beautiful, baby. I want to marry you. It's like, ah, that's nice. That's actually, you know.
Like, save us.
By the way, you're looking beautiful
You guys
tonight.
are in fucking
See?
prison.
Ever since I look beautiful tonight. Don't let any Chads talk to you tonight or else.
Right.
This is a
Don't
Chad.
do what you did a year
But
ago.
you're a Chad.
Don't do it.
You're talking to me and you're a Chad.
I'm a Chad.
Yeah.
Alright. This is like a demo.
Yeah, and then they have to be upset.
Listen. First guy that comes, just turn him down.
I would.
Are you going with them, by the way?
I don't know what I'm just a pawn.
Hi.
Hi.
TwitchCon for the win.
Hell yeah.
I just shared 2 pictures of blood orange margaritas. Holy crap, those are good.
So do you want to walk back to our hotels to get whatever?
What just happened?
Whatever.
I'm just gonna get
Who
my
am I?
smart glasses. You're making me feel incompetent.
I'm gonna have the hiccups, guys.
I can't believe you're streaming.
What's wrong with streaming?
It's not.
Wait, where's my light? Hang on, I need to make sure I have my lights.
So I asked your chat like already. It's like 25 subs because I got like I poked us on for you. I got fucking called Moonchart's old lady. Like what the fuck, dude? My ego is crushed. Ruin her ego. Destroy her ego. Like you look like this bitch that believes in fucking Jupiter being in like
Destroy your ego. Destroy it.
He's like, no, it's a compliment. I'm like, how?
Destroy your ego.
That's why I look that
That's your
crazy.
job tonight, chat. Just focus on destroying her ego. Look at the ego she has in running. Destroy it.
I'm gonna just tear Nicole down. I'm just gonna all about.
Here's the thing, we don't even have chat on here.
I know. I wish, like, honestly, I miss them.
I
miss them.
miss you, chat. Here's the thing, we could just take this phone and fucking run for it.
Right now.
We could just, Bad Bunny stream could be not Bad Bunny anymore. Alright, that would...
They'd be like, thank fucking God.
That would destroy
How many
her
people in
ego.
the chat are
Yeah.
probably saying thank fucking God?
Yeah, because let me tell you,
Freera.
we're gonna have a fucking good time tonight. Bad Bunny, who knows? She's gonna be putzing around here, walking in fucking circles like she did for 3 hours.
WH Omega
What a
Lol.
fucking joke, dude.
I wish we could see chat right now.
We can, we
I
can.
miss them.
Her,
Everybody's like, you look so uncomfortable.
Bad Bunny has a scuffed fucking setup where we can't read chat. But that, you know what? She set it up that way. I never thought of that.
Did.
It's fucking one direction communication. Unbelievable.
Bring out.
All right, here she is. Good luck, guys. You're all on your fucking own, dudes. God bless it.
I got it.
Epilepsy warning. Shouldn't even hit you up with it.
Not even warned, guys. That's what you matter. That's what she thinks of you.
That's true. I tell them all the time I hate them.
Well, so do I. I'm like, is this stupid hour?
They know it.
That actually happened recently. I'm sure a lot of people love me for that. They're like, you're a bitch. Oh, shit. A nice NASA shirt.
Oh my God.
Remember that? I got oh. I just can't, like, there's only a certain amount of stupid I can actually deal with.
No, I agree.
Like, I want to see Uranus.
Oh my God, are you serious?
I want to see your black hole. I traveled through that wormhole.
Honestly, the worst part about it is like people think they're the first person to ever say that. They're like, oh, you've never heard this one.
I'm like, you got him. If you could see your chat right now, half of them would be doing like Skylius got him. I'm not even kidding.
Are we gonna get hit by a car?
I feel like you're taller than me. How are you taller than me?
I'm 5'6.5". Half.
So am I.
Maybe I'll get taller.
Wait. Let me stop for a second. Wait. My boobs are in the way. Sorry.
Bob's.
Taller.
Skylights.
Really awkward.
Wow, by like a half inch, maybe, at best.
Yeah, I was about to say.
You want me to hold it back? Here, sit.
Okay, wait.
Back to back. Back to back.
Wait, can you do me a
Shoulders
favor?
out.
Can you do me a favor? Just look at the dudes that are like off to the right because it's really fucking weird.
What do you guys think?
No, I'm not even kidding. Look at the dudes off to the right.
Which guy's to the right?
Stop waving.
Okay.
Here. There you go. Who's taller? Skylar.
Don't fucking lift your head, bitch.
There you go. Now they know.
Now they know? Okay. But no, she seems taller than me.
Yeah,
Now they know.
You know what that means? My
what?
dick's bigger.
I think it just means I have more magnetism. Like I carry
Wait,
myself.
No. So can I tell you? So the other day I was like, I'm gonna try out fake eyelashes because it's the new cool thing, right? And I was like, I'm gonna be relevant. No, hold on. I was like, I'm gonna be relevant.
It's been a thing for a really long time.
I didn't know this because I'm like, we only did this shit at prom, right? Like
Yeah,
we only
yeah.
sacrificed like our eyelashes falling off if it was like prom, right? So hold on. So I found out that these are magnetic. Okay? So meaning that you can buy these now on Amazon that are magnetic. No. The eyeliner they're supposed to put on has magnetic particles.
Yeah,
Why
I know.
the fuck would you put that near your eyeball? I
Why
feel like
not?
this- because this is like arsenic, like being put in our face like 100 years in the making, right? You know what I'm saying? What?
Arsenic.
Well, okay, yeah. So what? Magnetic particles next to your fucking eyeball so that you can look like. I can't say.
Where are we going?
Marriott? I don't know, fucking, like, no, let's go to our place and then...
Okay, our place is the opposite direction.
No, it's that way.
No, that's the ocean.
I just want my smart glasses so I can feel like I have an IQ of at least 85.
Hey, watch.
See? Fuck off. Like, let me have
You
my...
want to go to our place?
Yeah.
Come
and
with
you can
us?
run in. Yeah, because
Are
it's
you
on
coming
the
with
way.
us?
Whatever.
Okay, it's this way. Yeah, I'll map.
We're all having sex, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Even though she's really disgusting right now.
He hold it.
Like, really washed up right now. She's really washed up.
Super washed up. Super disappointed.
I'm gonna whisper you guys a secret. Yeah. What?
Yeah, we gotta head up that way.
Feel like
and look right.
Yeah, we can go that way.
No, it's the wrong way.
All right. So what's
the map.
Well, what's the secret?
Here's the map.
Whatever you want.
Do you know they do red lines when you're walking?
Ice cream that's chocolate. Something. I don't know anything.
We gotta head up about
Do it.
4 blocks.
Earth is flat.
Oh my god, the earth is fucking flat.
Wait, can we
The
get a
earth
ride?
is fucking flat.
We're gonna go to.
Ew. Resub. Have fun, y'all.
Well, first time for
I've never done
Ramada. Oh my god. You're supposed to buckle up. Okay? Don't live life in the fast lane. Hey, buckle my cunt. Hold on. Look at how much you're gonna have to tighten this. How much action we're gonna get.
Okay, yeah.
I know I have nice pillows, right?
Yeah, your boobs are good.
I have nice boobs. Do you need a hoodie or anything? Because I have another hoodie.
Have my jacket.
I don't think we're any hoodies tonight, but I'd like to be able to see people. So here's the problem. Like, half of these people, like, our communities are so... Can we get some flat earths? We need flat earths.
Yeah! People spam Skyly's emotes. I've never been to one of these.
You've never been in one of these?
No!
This is like...
Neither have I!
Yeah, we're so gonna die. It's like gonna happen. And Twitch, we're not responsible. We didn't do it. Look. They're already doing the flat earth. Look at how many flat earths.
Oh my god, look at that!
No. I'm hosting you. I auto-host you, you fucking whore. You're on my auto-host.
Yeah, baby.
And everybody's like, BadBunny, you're such a bitch. And I always tell them to shut up. Because it gets rough.
My knees are in!
Dude, elbows in and knees in. She's fine, guys.
Actually, awesome.
I pretend.
What the fuck? Log in. No.
Look at Faye. Yeah, sunglasses at night bullshit.
Can't see shit.
Nice.
Loving it. So my glasses, like what she's wearing, are like in my front pocket. That's all I need. Like I actually can't see shit anymore. I'm done.
I just asked somebody at the party.
Oh look, we're doing biceps today. Look at how much you're supporting. I fight for you. People don't like it. They're like, oh my god, another BadBunny. I'm like, that's a compliment, bitch.
We got in fine. There's a Discord party.
Okay.
We didn't get anyone in there. Let's tell that dude, let's get him in there. Hassan's friend?
Hassan's friend, Will?
Yeah. Tell him to bring Hassan's friend.
Okay.
Free drinks, free food.
So I can get her in?
I
Are you Discord partner?
No.
I'll bring you emotional support. Yeah.
Which is totally okay to
Yeah.
add, but like the partner stuff, she's not.
Cool.
Are you glad that I stopped him? Yeah, I know. But do you see how hard he's working?
He's such a prima donna. I gotta go, bye.
Dude, invest in scooters.
How does Skylia smell?
I mean, I get it. Amazing.
She smells like a dream.
Similar.
Wow.
There.
Wow, I feel like a dream as well.
Did we really have to walk this whole thing? What a chill. Are you fucking shit?
I like how we're going slightly faster than walking. It's awesome. Like this is like barely in a shit. Yeah, we really could like half
Like chariots of fire.
we can half jog it. I love it. I'd not fucking sign up for fucking 30 people.
He's like, he only took me 10. And I'm sure, hey, do you tip him well? Do you tip him well? Because he's got like...
I will.
Okay. I mean, between her and I, like, we're like one of you.
I'm like 100 something.
I'm 120.
Okay, I'm like 115, so we're the same thing basically.
You're bigger now. Can we request like? Okay. Oh, you left. Here, Cyber City.
Your food's so great, I know.
Like that's the thing. Like there's so many misconceptions about having a child.
No, this is great. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's actually like a wonderful thing. I mean, it works more in my favor than
Yeah, because you're skinny.
yeah.
You do not look like you got kids. Like no one knows. You're like,
Yeah, I know. Right? Hey, thanks. Right? Right? No one knows. Right?
That is correct.
What you do need is training my
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's just like it's like incel knowledge. They're like, oh yeah, I hear that fucks this up. I mean, sometimes it does. Not all the days. Don't nix it. Oh my god.
Hey Susie, what's up? Hi Susie.
All right. Are we getting out or no? Like I just feel like
we're not there yet. We gotta go over one block.
I was just like,
BadBunny quiz.
yes. I'll retweet that. Is that you?
You've never had this experience.
I don't know anybody that has. So you're having.
Guys, shameless shit right here. Fucking shameless.
That's shameless. Get out of here with this shameless. Squad W. Are you laughing right now?
I'm hiccuping and laughing. It's really hard. It's really hard. It's really hard. It's really rough. I've had a really hard time like this.
Look at that. Squad W. Shameless. Shameless.
We're like 2 blocks. One half this way, half that way.
So like 20 minutes, guys.
20 minutes. I just got it. I got it.
It was just doing the conversion.
Yeah, I got it.
don't matter, right? Wait, did someone actually say Las Vegas?
I don't know, did they?
For real, real?
But yeah, so that's just Las Vegas. Just like fucking low-key joke. Yeah, low-key hiking joke.
No, that's why I was like, this being time. Coyote Ugly Saloon.
Huh?
Coyote Ugly Saloon.
Oh, look at that! Coyote Ugly. Like, don't make fun of my fucking hiccup. I'm sorry, I can't handle it. She's like, I can't. I really am dying. Horrible. Right now, I'm dying. I don't want her to be alone.
I hope Manny, like, Manny, I gotta keep, like, spamming him.
Can he give you an automated reply?
No. Fucking Manny, I'll cancel Manny.
Sorry, I am at
You know
the
Manny,
office.
Yeah, he's my buddy. He's like, I want to kiss beautiful human. I want to kiss Skyly is beautiful human. Now BadBunny here, also beautiful.
He's a Nomi!
Oh, I'll introduce you. He's wonderful. He's so sweet. Everybody's like, I bet like Manuel and fucking Sky have something going on. I'm like, oh my god, you Twitch detectives.
I just touched that car.
Did you really? There's a Ford. How do you feel about that?
Like a Nazi car? Or is that a racist car?
Ford is just a pile of shit.
Pile of shit car.
Yeah. Means fix or repair daily. That was a gear change, by the way.
Wow, great car.
Well, so Mini Sky and I bike to school every day. We are scientists, by the way. Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Colgate! Someone say Colgate!
Ew. Resub.
Thanks, Majestic. Sus. Thank you. Say hi to everyone. Bonnie's gonna get herself killed tonight.
No, she's in my hands.
No, I'm not gonna get myself killed.
Hiccup. Can we go in real quick?
Yeah.
So, let's go in real quick.
Real quick. Wait, can I
You can see out here.
Yeah, I'll come in.
Yeah. I just have to pee.
Is it like too personal?
Well, I mean, we're not docking it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, like, I don't know.
Whoa. New sub.
Thanks, thank you, Majestic, for gifting us up to the theater.
Majestic, thank you.
Majestic's an old man who says "boy howdy" and shit like that. He
I'm
goes,
gonna-
"Boy howdy."
Is the bathroom down here? Because I feel like.
No. I got a haircut recently, and they cut my hair like really short. Like my hair is here, and they're like, "You want 4 inches off?" I was like, "Yeah, that's like this." And they fucking, here it is.
So here's 8.
Yeah, it's
Also look.
ridiculous.
Is there really not a bathroom down here? I feel like there would be one in the
Why
restaurant.
are you talking all sexy?
Because I feel like there.
Is it like a bathroom?
She does that when it gets late. That's,
She gets all sexy.
you know.
Is it like a bathroom? Is there a bathroom? Guys, look at her.
Alright, so we'll go up. Why is she being all sexy? Stop being so sexy. It's milk. Oh! I hear that was my hiccup. Oh my god, look at these old elevators. Why don't we fucking just walk in? Dude, this is fucked up. I'm not okay with this.
Oh my god, yes. No, come on.
Literally, look at this fucking elevator.
Come on, you gotta get in. Come
You
on.
open a door, you open another fucking door.
Yeah. I had pressed 3.
Did you?
Here we go.
Oh my god.
Everyone hold on to something.
So not okay.
Hold on!
No.
Onto the wall.
We're not even okay anymore. Oh my god, do you feel it shaking?
Yeah.
It's because we're too fat.
This is what Trump meant when he said, like, make America great again. He meant, like, this shit.
Build an elevator.
That's, like, super scuffed. This is America.
Fuck a wall. Just get a good elevator.
Are we good? Do we should open the door?
Yeah, I think we're solid. Holy shit.
Can't believe that people are... I really appreciate everyone in the chat. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I really do.
Slowbird and resub too, by the way.
Slowbird! I love Slowbird.
I know, so do I.
She's such a fucking adorable fucking little pile of cute.
And
She's probably like way gone.
she's probably so.
She's like, fuck this bitch.
I thanked her. So, and she's also in my channel too.
Can I pee?
Yeah.
Hey, do you know Braille?
I just want to let you know you can't
Do I
scream
know
that.
Braille? No, I don't.
Braille, the first symbol is always a backwards L. This indicates the next few symbols.
I can speak sign language.
Oh, well, never mind.
Okay.
I was gonna give a whole fucking thing.
Look at how weird this place is. Though.
Oh, I've been in a room almost exactly like this in a different hotel, yeah.
We booked
They're
this,
smaller.
About 5 hours ago.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I didn't know there was any more rooms left.
We were staying outside the city and it was too far.
It's cold in here. You guys are freaks, aren't you? You like everything cold.
Yeah.
Fucking weirdos. Oh, sorry. I'll sing. I'll sing. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow. The sorrows
So great.
will be
I thought
gone.
people were dying.
You wanna go? You have to go.
Yeah.
You wanna go?
No, you can go ahead.
You're such a fucking.
He is. He's
how-
like pretty.
That's like. Yeah.
Chivalry.
Yeah, no, it's like very nice.
Disgusting. Disgusting, dude.